Alright, this is the Amazon $15 on sale parking lot. This one should be the graffiti. The local store had these for $35. They didn't want to do my trade offer, so I'm like, okay, let me look it up. $15, it was 20 shipped each, and I bought two. Packaging looks like a screenshot of a menu, because it's this video. It looks like they just screenshotted it. Some sushi. You know the drill. The back, light button, PVC, assembly. They got 6 versions. I know I got this one, and then I think I don't remember if it was one of these. They only sent one. I mean, they sent 2, but this one arrived today, so. I already opened the seal, but I'm like, let me take a video. Alrighty, and as you can see, we got the plug. Oops, let me zoom in there. We got the plug and the button. So that's how you turn it off and on. You will not be able to use any USB on this. You gotta use a special one. I don't know that size, but whatever. Alright, drum roll. Alright, cool. So it's a bunch of cutouts. I gotta put it together. Little LED strip, a little cheap one, but whatever. Pretty sure these are like 6,500 Kelvin. So might upgrade it to like a 3,500, 4,500. A little warmer, a little more neutral. But yeah. Pretty much it.